Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skin tags. These little bumps can pop up anywhere, and while they're harmless, a lot of people find them bothersome. We're going to explore 12 different ways to remove skin tags using common household items and over-the-counter products. We'll go step by step through each method, explaining exactly how to use each remedy safely and effectively. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment, especially on your skin. Let's start with a classic home remedy, apple cider vinegar. It's a natural astringent, meaning it helps dry things out. Soak a small cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and then gently apply it to the skin tag. Secure it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process daily. The apple cider vinegar will slowly start to dry out the skin tag, causing it to shrink and eventually fall off. If you have sensitive skin, dilute it with a little bit of water before applying. If you feel any burning or irritation, stop using it immediately and consult a dermatologist. Next up, we have tea tree oil, a popular essential oil known for its powerful antiseptic properties. To use tea tree oil, dilute a few drops in a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Apply this mixture to the skin tag twice a day using a cotton swab. The tea tree oil works by drying out the skin tag and helping it to fall off naturally. Do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying tea tree oil more widely, especially if you have sensitive skin. Be consistent with your application and give it some time to work. This one might sound a little strange, but trust me on this. Banana peels actually contain enzymes that can help remove skin tags. Cut a small piece of banana peel and place the inside of the peel directly on the skin tag. Secure it with a bandage or medical tape and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process daily. The enzymes in the banana peel work to break down the cells in the skin tag, causing it to gradually disappear. It's a great way to use up those banana peels that you might normally toss in the compost. Be patient and consistent with your application. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that can help nourish and repair skin cells. Puncture a vitamin E capsule and apply the oil directly to the skin tag. Gently massage it into the area for a few minutes. The vitamin E oil helps to soften the skin tag and may also restrict blood flow to the area, causing it to shrink. It might take several weeks of regular application to see noticeable results. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires, it can also help with skin tags. It contains a compound called allicin, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Crush a clove of garlic and apply it directly to the skin tag. Cover it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat this daily. The allicin in the garlic works to break down the skin cells in the tag, causing it to shrink. This method can be a bit smelly, but many people find it to be an effective way to remove skin tags. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the garlic with a bit of olive oil or coconut oil before applying. Some people swear by using duct tape to remove skin tags. The idea is to cut off blood circulation to the skin tag, causing it to fall off. Clean the area around the skin tag and apply a small piece of duct tape directly over it. Leave the duct tape on for a few days, then remove it carefully. You might need to repeat this process a few times. Duct tape can irritate the skin, and it's not as reliable as some of the other methods we've discussed. If you do decide to try this method, be sure to use high-quality duct tape and monitor your skin for any signs of irritation. If you're looking for a more convenient option, there are plenty of over-the-counter skin tag removal kits available at drugstores. These kits usually contain a solution that helps to freeze the skin tag, causing it to fall off. Follow the instructions carefully and use the product exactly as directed. Consider the size and location of your skin tag before using an over-the-counter kit. You probably have hydrogen peroxide in your medicine cabinet, and it can actually be used to remove skin tags. It's a powerful disinfectant that can help to dry out the skin tag. Dip a cotton swab in hydrogen peroxide and apply it directly to the skin tag. Let it dry completely. Repeat this process several times a day. Hydrogen peroxide can bleach fabric, so be careful when applying it to your skin. Avoid getting it in your eyes. Be patient and consistent with your application. Combining castor oil and baking soda creates a paste that can help remove skin tags. Mix a small amount of castor oil and baking soda to form a paste. Apply the paste directly to the skin tag and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat daily. This combination can take some time to work, so be patient and continue applying it regularly. The castor oil and baking soda work together to soften the skin tag and help it to eventually fall off. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test before applying this mixture to a larger area. Consistency is key with this method. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its soothing and healing properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the skin tag and let it dry. Repeat this process several times a day. The aloe vera gel helps to soften the skin tag and may also reduce inflammation. If you don't have access to fresh aloe vera, use a high-quality aloe vera gel from the store. Make sure it's pure aloe vera and doesn't contain any added ingredients that could irritate your skin. While aloe vera is generally gentle, do a patch test before applying it to a larger area. Iodine is a mineral that's often used as an antiseptic. It can also be used topically to remove skin tags, as it can help to dry them out and cause them to fall off. Apply a small amount of iodine to the skin tag using a cotton swab. Be careful not to apply too much, as it can stain the skin. Repeat this process daily. Iodine can be irritating to the skin, so do a patch test before applying it to a larger area. Avoid contact with your eyes, and if you experience any burning or irritation, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Consistency is key with this method. This method involves cutting off the blood supply to the skin tag using dental floss. It's essential to note that this method should only be performed by a healthcare professional. A healthcare professional might use dental floss to tie off the base of the skin tag, cutting off blood circulation. This will cause the skin tag to dry up and fall off. Attempting this method at home is not recommended. Prioritize your safety and seek professional help for skin tag removal. There are many safe and effective methods for removing skin tags, and consulting with a healthcare professional is always the best course of action. That's a wrap on our 12 methods for removing skin tags. We covered everything from apple cider vinegar to dental floss, exploring both home remedies and over-the-counter options. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and remedies. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried any of these methods yourself. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. And, as always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment. See you in the next video.